heard your feedback and we have rebranded to Next Level Mods, and we're here to bring you next level content on the Project E30.
So today we're going to hotbox this garage with some 10-year-old Michelins.
Let's get right to it. A lot has changed in the last video. This car is running and driving now, and we also fixed the gas pedal.
Let's take a look underneath the car. We got this custom exhaust straight out of a Mark IV Supra. It's a bit greasy, it's got a couple holes, but we haven't been pulled over yet. For a muffler, we got a $1,000 HKS Super Dragger.
We also have a Flowmaster Delta Force 2-to-1 muffler to help simmer down the pony. The technician is still in there! It's okay, thank you! Yeah, I'll set up a little fan. For our next video, do you want to see the wheels get put on or the big brake kit done first? Remember to comment and subscribe. Stay tuned.